Hello everyone, Jose Gregorio here, and in this video I want to share with you guys how I edit my time-lapse photos in Lightroom. So let's open up Lightroom and let's see how it's done. Okay, here in Lightroom, let's correct the white balance. Alright, let's bring down the highlights about 30. Let's bring the whites to -30 as well and open up the shadows just a bit and enable profile correction. You can see here these photos are from GoPro, so let's continue with this photo here. Let's bring up the clarity up to 20. And when I zoom in, you can see this photo from GoPro. It is fairly okay for the GoPro Hero 7. So let's bring up the contrast up about 9. And let's also bring up the vibrance about 47. You can see here that the photo is improving just by doing this quick edit. You know that the sunrises have magenta, so let's bring the magentas up to 6. Let's zoom in, see what we have here, and you can see this GoPro photo. It looks fairly acceptable for a time-lapse video. I see on the tree lines just a bit of smoothness, but that is just the GoPro Hero photos. So let's continue on here with the contrast up to 39. And the tint once more to -5. Now let's scroll down and let's see the hues. Probably the blue up to 10. No, didn't do. Just the aqua up to 22. 22 looks great on this photo here, and increase the saturation up to 42. Now let's increase the exposure up to 20. Increase the highlights up to down to -50, and you can see here this photo is really I'm going to zoom in and you can see the sunrise is really popping on this photo here for this time-lapse video. let's sync them. Oh no, cancel because I still have to fix the horizon here. Let's scroll down and open up the transform, drop down menu here, and let's rotate this image to +17, and 17 looks pretty good here. Now let's sync them. Alright, and Lightroom is synchronizing all my edits here, and now let's name the photos and give them a number. That way we can open them up in Premiere Pro CC for this time-lapse video. Let's name them Morning Sunrise and click Done. And Lightroom is again synchronizing all the settings here. Now let's export all these photos into a folder. Let's find the correct folder here. I will put them on time-lapse photo, and let's open up a new folder here and give it a name. And click choose and export them. Moving on here with my GoPro Hero time-lapse photos, I already exported them into a folder for later open them into Premiere CC for a final time-lapse video. So let's continue on here. Let's open up Premiere Pro and let's finish up this time-lapse video. Alright, let's continue on here. Let's open up that folder. So let's click on options and click on the first one and make sure sequence is checked, and Premiere Pro opens up this time-lapse photo. It will take a few seconds for Premiere Pro CC to render these photos. Now let's bring this into a timeline. As you can see here, this is the final time-lapse video. Alright, that's how I edit my photos using Lightroom and Premiere Pro CC for a final time-lapse video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to leave your comments in the box down below or any questions, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please share, like, and until my next one, thank you guys for watching.